In this video, you'll learn how to set up a multi-vendor marketplace on your Wix website, step by step. First, enter the site editor from your Wix dashboard. Here, you'll customize and manage your site to prepare for adding marketplace features. Next, open the Add Elements panel in the editor and search for marketplace-related apps. This allows you to quickly find tools that enable multi-vendor sales. Now, filter the search results to find the vendor marketplace app, then select it to start the installation and add multi-seller capabilities to your site. At this point, you'll notice the app requires a premium plan to add. Go ahead and upgrade your site so you can complete the app installation process. Then, choose a premium plan that fits your needs to activate marketplace functionality and unlock advanced features for your store. You've learned the key steps for building a multi-vendor marketplace with Wix